Frank and his wife were cruising in their Model X when an impatient driver in the fast lane cut across 3 lanes at full speed. They rear-ended a car, then bounced straight into Frank's Tesla. The impact was so hard that a piece of the other car got stuck in the Tesla's door. But Frank's wife said she didn't feel a thing. The Model X must be built like a tank. Police reviewed the footage and found the reckless driver to be at fault. Frank's Model X totaled, but he and his wife completely unharmed. David was driving home in his 2020 Model Y when an F-150 suddenly swerved over a barrier straight into oncoming traffic. He slammed straight into the Tesla. The F-150 passenger, not wearing a seatbelt, cracked the windshield on impact. A police officer was nearby and saw everything. The TeslaCam confirmed. The truck driver was 100% at fault. David's Model Y was totaled. He upgraded to a brand new 2024 Model Y. Was the truck driver sleeping, or was he drunk? Drop your thoughts below. Jake was cruising in the left lane, coming home from work, when a driver in the right lane suddenly cut in front of him without signaling. With little time to react, he rear-ends the car and flips over, skidding over 400 feet. His Tesla was completely totaled, but to be honest, he was lucky to walk away with his life. After reviewing the TeslaCam footage, police ruled the reckless merger at fault, but some say Jake should have braked sooner. Let us know who you think was wrong in this situation. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more TeslaCam Mayhem.